Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all new videos, and don't forget to like and share the video. Today's cue card is describe a development in your country. Points need to cover in this cue card are: what is the development, when did you hear about it, and the last one is how did it influence you. Vocabulary which is used in this cue card is: leaps and bounds means rapid progress, leaving no stone unturned. Try every possible course of action in order to achieve something. Vicinity, area, inauguration, launch. Over the moon, very happy, engenders reasons. Fitness freak, like to work out. At stone's throw away, very close. Vigorous, physically and mentally strong. Tranquil, peaceful. Hustle and bustle, noise and activity of people. Spectacular, amazing. Rejuvenated, refreshed. Ambience, environment. Voracious, wanting a lot of information and knowledge. As fit as fiddle, in a very good health. Let's start the cue card. In this cutthroat competitive era, every nation is developing by leaps and bounds. The administration of numerous cities is leaving no stone unturned to develop their respective areas, not only economically but also socially. Due to modernization, numerous developments has taken place in my nation. Today, I would like to shed some light on a new development that has taken place recently in my vicinity, which has proved blessing for residents. The development is the construction of new parks in all cities. Last month, I was reading newspaper when I came across the news that the governor of my state did the inauguration of park in my area. I was over the moon after reading this news, as there was a dire need of such place in my area. The construction of park influenced me for divergent engenders. First and foremost, I am fitness freak, and before the development of this park, I used to go to far off area for running and exercise. Now the park is at a stone's throw away from my home. Thus this park not only saves my two precious hours but also assists me to become vigorous, since this park has jogging track, open gym which is equipped with modern equipments, and availability of yoga classes. Apart from this is the only place in my area which provides tranquil environment. However, the entire city is filled with hustle and bustle. Whenever I feel low, I go there. The lush greenery, spectacular view of various species of flowers, and chopping of birds aid to relieve my stress and make me feel rejuvenated. Besides this, I am a voracious reader and love reading books. Facility of library provides me a chance to read my favorite books with concentration due to peaceful ambience of library. Last but not least, before the construction of this park, my all family members used to spend most of their time indoors. Now my family members started going to park for morning and evening walks. While walking, we discuss various issues and give viable solutions to each other. This really helps us to strengthen our bond with each other. Moreover, we all family members are as fit as fiddle now. All in all, the development of park has influenced me tremendously by bringing paradigm shift to my life.